little shop. Alright guys, here I am in Kyoto. It's my first day in Kyoto. I'm laying about over here, chilling, just enjoying the serenity of Kyoto. What I'm going to show you now is going to be, will not be done justice by the camera. I assure you that. I've seen pictures and videos beforehand, before coming, and this is just, the feeling here is just phenomenal. Ready? Many little cafes and huts for street food. Boats that you can ride. You can have people ride it for you, or you can do the water rafting yourself. Imagine living here. Imagine what that feels like. It's like the best countryside feeling that possibly exists. Like, first of all, it's not just a countryside. I don't know what you would describe this, but it is like the nature here is beyond comparison to anything else I've ever seen. So after this, I'm gonna head to, what is it called? But when I head there, I'll let you know. I'm just try to take it all in. Like any other part of Japan, this beautiful countryside area has also got the hustle and bustle. I'm literally just walking through one of the alleyways, one of the many alleyways that are just in the vicinity of that beautiful countryside. I don't know if it's even a countryside, I don't know if I'm using the right word. Let me show you what it looks like. I just ate a matcha ice cream. Phenomenal, really, really nice. Quite powdery, nearly coughed a little, but really tasty. Here, take a look. And so they just sell lots of nice traditional foods, lots of matcha around here. Someone told me that Kyoto was like the main hub for matcha. I don't like. I suppose that they might be right. I don't actually have any proper knowledge about it, but I have seen the most matcha here compared to Osaka and Tokyo. And literally 1 minute and 30 seconds on from where I just recorded from the alleyway, I'm now in the bamboo forest, or at least the start of it. I think there's 3 sections, and like it gets more and more beautiful and intense as you go on. So I'm standing right in front of a bamboo tree, obviously, and let's just, like, I want to feed it. So let's see what it's like. I wonder if I'm okay to do this. It's actually very what's the word? It's like hollow. It's hard and hollow. Feels like a nice musical instrument. I think pandas eat this, right? Nice. So continuing on my path to greatness and through the bamboo forest, I have now come to a crossroad in life. And what this crossroad reminds me of is the quote from Blue Lock, where Ego Jinpachi says something like, the crossroad after defeat. I'm fully butchering it. Okay, there's a drink on, let's just forget that. But basically, it's something about after you lose, that you face a crossroads, and you can decide which way you want to go. Or let's watch this. And you can decide which way you want to go. You can either choose to be a loser for the rest of your life, or you can make a decision to become great. I wonder how long it takes before it comes. So these guys, you basically pay them, but they got wound legs, and you pay them, and they carry you in a carriage and run up, not run, like jog up to wherever you want to go, basically. And I guess they're trying to go to the end of the bamboo forest. I checked the prices; they're really high, like £60 for an hour. So it's valid for how much hard work goes into it. It really is nice art. On a daily basis, I make many tough decisions on the kind of man I want to become. And so, yet again, I have landed and found myself at another crossroads. The question is, which way will I go? So the lady just came herself to welcome me in, and it's a little shop with nice seating upstairs. I could see it from another angle now the sun's reflecting. But welcome to my house. So beautiful, man. So cute, so beautiful. So this is all right beside the bamboo forest as well. Imagine living here. Imagine these beautiful vibes, man. That child doesn't know how blessed and privileged she is. Like, it is just so wholesome. I feel like living in such a beautiful environment and having, you know, a good family life is significantly undervalued, and it's far more significant and greater in value in actuality than any kind of material nice life. Yeah, my phrasing was a bit slow there, but I really do mean that from the heart. Let's take a look. Whoa, coffee, latte and hot dogs. Damn, I'd love to live there. Hello, Japan. This reminds me of the scenes from Princess Mononoke. Not this part, but this. Specifically this for some reason. Maybe the way the grass is. I don't know. So after visiting some more temples, and I'm now about to take my train back to Osaka. But for now, let's enjoy some music. Rubbish quality. Oh, there we go.